Unlocking English. Understanding the many meanings of prop. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a really interesting topic to dive into. The word prop. It might sound simple, but this little word has a variety of meanings and uses in English. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of prop and how to use it in different contexts. Let's get started. The word prop can be used as a noun, and in this context, it usually refers to an object used to support or hold something else in place. For example, you might use a book as a prop to keep your window open, or a pillow as a prop to support your back while sitting. In theater and film, props are the objects actors use on stage or on camera, like a sword in a pirate movie or a magic wand in a play. Example 1. She used a stack of books as a prop to keep her laptop at eye level. Example 2. The stage was filled with various props for the play, including a fake sword and a treasure chest. In certain sports, particularly rugby, a prop refers to a specific position played by a team member. A prop in rugby is usually one of the larger players on the team, and their main responsibility is to support the hooker during scrums and provide strength in the scrum. Example, he's been playing as a prop for his rugby team for over 5 years. Prop can also be used as a verb, meaning to support or lean something against something else. When you prop something up, you are making sure it stays in a certain position by providing support. Example 1. She propped her bicycle against the wall while she went into the store. Example 2. He had to prop up the old fence with a wooden board to keep it from falling over. In English, prop can be found in several idioms and expressions. For instance, prop up can also be used metaphorically to mean supporting or sustaining something, such as a business or economy. Example, the government had to prop up the failing economy with a stimulus package. And that wraps up our exploration of the word prop. We've seen how it can function as a noun, a verb, and even within idiomatic expressions. Whether it's providing support in a physical sense, as in holding something up, or in a more abstract sense, like sustaining a business, prop is a versatile word with various applications. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has helped clarify the different uses of prop for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you next time.